So if you guys want cheap coffee and you're staying near the Bellagio, it is one of the cheapest places I have found that sells coffee. Because I'm staying at the Horseshoe. Well, I was staying at the Horseshoe. I'm about to check out my last day. But I was staying at the Horseshoe. A coffee costs $7.99. At the Bellagio, it's $6.95. Now, some of these hotels do have Starbucks in, like the Bellagio, but I don't know if the prices are inflated here compared to just normal stores. So let me show you what the pastry place looks like in Bellagio. Then here is Vegas here in the morning. It is a little after 7:30. I'm walking over to the Bellagio. Here is Old Red Horseshoe Las Vegas in Paris. The Cosmo over here. And let me show you how to get to the pastry shop. So if you're entering from the east like I am, you're gonna come through these doors. Right here. And you're gonna follow the sign to dining. If you go down these stairs and escalators, it'll lead you out to the strip and it'll take you to the fountain. And then turning that way will take you to Caesar's Palace, which I may do if I have time. And you're just gonna walk through all of the luxury stores here. Like you have Louis Vuitton, Alexander McQueen, Music Stylist, Gucci, Prada, and a couple other things in a restaurant up here by Wolfgang Puck. Okay, so now that I made it to the casino, there's the Whitney Houston slot machine. You're gonna keep walking until you find the sign up there for the conservatory. You're gonna follow that sign. If you guys have never been in the Bellagio, seen their casino, this is what it looks like. Really nice. So right here, you're gonna turn the corner. This is where the lobby is gonna be. I recommend if you're staying in Vegas, you want to find the cheapest breakfast options or coffee options. Check your hotel, the hotel next to you, the other hotel on the other side of you. Check the hotel in front of you, and the two hotels next to that. Just so you can get the cheapest price. And you're not walking around, you already know. But we're almost at the conservatory. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little video of it. And then I'll show you the pastry shop. And then passing the Hermes store, the check-in desk, and then the conservatory is right here. But if you're just going to the pastry shop, just follow that sign over there. But let me show you the conservatory really quick. If you guys want to see the rest of the conservatory, head on over to the next video and you'll see that. All right, y'all, we're leaving the conservatory. And the pastry shop is just right here. And here is the chocolate fountain. It's so cool to see. And they have gelato here, their menus, danishes, their hot drinks, omelets, crepes, and their breakfast options. Okay, so I got an iced coffee. It is a little bit strong, so you may have to add like extra creamer, or maybe add like a little bit extra water, or like some extra sugar as well, because it is kind of strong, but it's really good. And then I got a bacon, egg, and cheese crepe. Yesterday I got a ham and cheese crepe, and that was really good. And so